I said, I don't think that he's good for you.
How do you know what's good for me?
That's my opinion!
Hey, Mom. What is she doing? What's going on in here? Y'all got the house clean? Pick up the blanket. Yes, ma'am, it's clean. Where's Brittany? Tell her I'm still sleeping. She's sleeping.
Here it is, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and she's still asleep.
Shouldn't she be cleaning up this house? Isn't the house already clean? I swear they be doing that just to hear themselves talk. Brittany, get up! I know you're awake! Let's turn the famous Big Fat Cookie into a mug cake using 3 simple ingredients. This is the red velvet flavor, obviously, so we're gonna give this a try first before we make it into a mug cake. This one tastes like no red velvet. The middle part with the chocolate, or whatever it is, that tastes better. You can get like more than half of this cookie and put it in a Ziploc bag. Get a mallet and beat it. And now we're gonna put it into our mug. Should look like that. Okay, we're then gonna add 1/3 cup of milk. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And give it a good whiskey. Looks disgusting, doesn't it? But it'll all come together, I promise. We're gonna put this in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now we just wait. Oh my God. So, 2 minutes. Now we're gonna let it chill in the refrigerator for, I don't know how long, just until it's not hot anymore. Now we're gonna add the toppings. Okay, let's give it a taste. No way. Oh my God, that's actually really good. It tastes better than a freaking cookie. That's so freaking good. Let's show the famous Big Fat Cookies breakfast bundle. And we can try any cookies without any milk, so let's get that. First, we're gonna try this cereal looking one. I have no clue what flavor it is. It didn't say on the packet. That looks so good. Okay, first let's take a bite without the milk. I still that chocolate. It's so good. That's what the folks be doing. Okay, it's good. But I shouldn't probably took a big bite because it's too much. We're gonna try the jelly donut. I'm not a huge fan of like anything, like any pastries that have like jelly in it. I've just never been a huge fan. Even at like Krispy Kreme donuts and stuff, I just always get like the basic one, or like I get custard filled or cream filled. This is moist. Hold on, let me find out. Look how soft that is. It smells like a sandwich for some reason. Probably because of the jelly. I don't eat freaking peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Like I literally just eat peanut butter sandwiches or like applesauce. Not applesauce, like apple jelly sandwiches. Y'all, I'm still gonna try it with the milk. Yeah, not my cup of tea. Like Amaya Papaya said, if you're not my cup of tea,
you shouldn't be drinking it.
I know that's right. Next, we're gonna try the cinnamon coffee cake. Oh no, this is gonna be really good. Just the sound of it reminds me of freaking snickerdoodles. Although it kind of does smell like, you know that like Walmart brand cinnamon bun? Like that you just get from like the freaking front of the store. That's what it smells like. Ooh! Flavor's good, but texture hard and grainy for some reason. Hold on. Oh, wow. You definitely have to drink with the milk. Let me get another bite. This is seeming like pop out more. Oh, my throat. So we have the hot cocoa. Break it. It's chocolate. What do you expect? Yeah. Ooh, that's a lot of chocolate though. That's a lot of chocolate. I love chocolate, but y'all, I'm not that big of a fan of it, the whole freaking cookie. If you know what chocolate tastes like, you'll know what that tastes like, so. Next up, we have the Fruity Pebbles. No, I'm not getting the Fruity Pebble. Hold on, let me get it outside. I'm not really getting the Fruity Pebble flavor. But I feel like I'm just only eating the cookie by itself. You just need to eat the cookies with milk for it to taste really good. Fluffy mold. Ooh! Let's try the famous giant Rice Krispie treats. We're gonna try the cookie dough flavor right now. Period. Oh wow, it literally smells like cookie dough. No, there's a little cookie dough in it too. Here he goes. Wait. Let's try it with some milk. Just like eating cereal. Well, it is cereal, but I cannot be eating all this for real. I'm trying to be healthy, y'all. I'm trying to be healthy. Okay, next we're gonna try the Blue Moon. I have no clue what flavor this would be. And also on the freaking cookie dough note, it was good. It tasted like, I don't know, it had a hint of like cookie dough in it. It just tastes like a regular Rice Krispie treat, to be honest, but it was still good. Oh my gosh, open up. Oh my gosh, this won't open. What the? Ew. I just got a whiff of this. Like, I put like a small hole in the back with my teeth, and I got like a whiff of it. It's like a weird freaking strange smell. Like, what the heck? Hold on. Open. Dang. What did they make this packaging out of? Okay. Ooh. Oh my god. Wait. No, for real. Not in this video, y'all. I know half of y'all got like, what is it called? Something phobia, where you like, yeah. Not this video, child. What is this? It's not like a garbage smell. It's not like a funky smell. It's like, let me see. Oh, okay. I don't know. That's weird. Like it's not sitting right with my